and my floor mat is soak of water. This is a Grand Cherokee 2004, and as you see, it's always moist here because every time we use the AC, so the water goes up here and stuck here, and if I turn to the left, the water goes here from the fan motor, and you will hear splashing water on the side. So I need to open this and make it dry. And what I did is I make a drill here using this what size is this? I make in the middle here, so when I push the drill bit, water goes on the bottom side and the drain hose underneath. And as you see here, it's good center, so water goes there and some dirt there. I need to clean it inside, and you will see there's a lot of garbage here, so I need to remove that one. Okay, so I hope this one will help you. I need to remove this. You can see the dirt over there. Oh my gosh, that's the dirt. Alright, so as you see, this is the EC drain area. So I'm removing all the dirt using this hook. As you see, it's coming garbage plugs from EC drain plug.